today we're calculating arc length, and this is the formula we have. So L stands for arc length, M is the measure of the arc in degrees, and then we have C is for the circumference that we all know it's 2 pi r. Okay, so we are going to work on two examples. So today we have the radius of a circle is 2 miles. So the radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. And then what is the length of a 135-degree arc? Let's just do a little sketch right here. So the radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. So we have 2 right there, so r is 2. We're looking for what is the length of 135-degree arc. Just remember that 135 degree is about this long right here. So the arc is the distance from here all the way over to about right there. So the arc. Okay, so formula right there. So we have L equals M over 360 times C. Okay, so what is the length? That's what I'm looking for. I don't have the length, so question mark right there. I have M. M is the measure of the arc in degrees. I have M is 135. So the circumference, I know is 2 pi r. And I also know r is 2 because it told me right there that the radius is 2. So 2 pi r is 2. Let's make this prettier. So 2 times 2 is 4 pi. Okay, so I'm going to use 4 pi for C. So L equals M. M is 135 because I have it right there. Over 360. And C is 4 pi. Okay, so I'm going to leave this in terms of pi. So I would just do 135 divided by 360 times 4. So 1.5 pi, or if you want to make it prettier, make that as a fraction, 3 over 2 pi. Or 1.5 pi. So that's the length of this arc right here in terms of pi. Now, example 2, we have the diameter. And what is the angle measure? So we're not looking for L anymore. On example 2, we're looking for M. Like you would predict, I want to sketch my circle over here and see what all we have. So the diameter is 8. The diameter is the distance from here to here going through the center. That makes my radius 4. Okay? Because if the diameter is the whole distance from here to here, and the whole distance is 8, half the distance is 4. Okay? Just a quick review right there. Okay, so what is the angle measure of an arc that is 3 pi centimeters long? You're like, I don't know. It's okay. So we're looking at an arc that would go, again, not drawn to scale at all. So we're looking for the arc right there. So it's 3 pi. What is the angle? What is the degrees? What is M? So L, M, and C. So L, what is L? L is given right there. the measure of an arc, 3 pi long. So L is 3 pi. M, I don't know, I'm looking for that. So that's angle measure. If you don't remember, look right there. Measure of the arc in degrees. Of the arc. And C, 2 pi r, and r is 4. So 2 pi 4, that makes 8 pi, because 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. So formula. I'm going to substitute what I have on the formula. So L, right there, 3 pi. M I don't have, I'm looking for M. And C is 8 pi. You have different ways to go about this. If you want to go ahead and divide both sides by 8 pi, you can do that and do a 360 later. But whatever you decide, you can just stick to it. That way you don't get confused next time. So I will divide both sides by 8 pi. So when I divide right here, I get 1. And when I divide right here, pi divided by pi, it's also 1. So right here, I have 3 over 8. If you don't like the fraction, just make it as a decimal. That's not a law against it. So 0.375 or 3/8. 0.375. Now at this point, it's easy to see that you just need to multiply by 360. That's a reminder right there. So 0.375 times 360, that is 135 degrees. What is the angle measure? Angle measure, it's measure of an arc in degrees. That's what we got. That's all I have for you.